Welcome to Highlight Snooker.
He's capable, very capable of making.
One.
Or anything, he knew there was still a job to do. That's just kind of.
I think it's great to hear from the player. Not even necessarily getting a snooker. If they're playing well against him if he's not doing it himself. Session 1 and the start of this one. That's what he did.
Well,
that's the last thing. Possible break 97.
Yeah, I mean, however many you make of matches.
20.
Night drama and comebacks. And then
29.
Looking for it.
You mentioned the World Championships. And we're kind of in that area and thinking, well, I'm probably going to lose.
49
in an invitation event in the final. He was 8-2. It's going to take a collapse from him, not just a great Murphy.
Before the score, something like 12-3. One more. Save the ignominy of. Yeah, just on that match, Dave. I wonder if Ding's will win. Oh, there's one that.
What?
In this tournament in 2020, he made 6 centuries in the best.
His opponent. It's a marvellous chance.
7. 15. 20.
That's sport for you, isn't it?
Away from him.
No, not this time.
9.
I think in the end.
One. 5. 11.
Who were in the top 4 seedings, they're all playing.
Of course, longer matches as well.
He deserves to be on something, doesn't he?
Shaun.
Hawkins won it, of course, and then went on the breaks.
Foul.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it just sums up his day, like nothing.
Foul. I'm gonna miss.
Now it's, you know, unmissable. So he
7. 16.
It's a bit like that here, isn't it? Just so far clear in the.
the snooker, he's in one. So
3.
To the point where it probably doesn't happen at all. Do you know, I don't think Cliff was ever quite the same player after that.
yeah, and he struggles with his eyesight. Cliff Thorburn towards the end of his.
For this kind of distance. I mean, all credit to Murphy. I mean, you couldn't imagine happening. Ooh.
4.
Yes, the snooker's on.
Foul. King's 5.
Well, surely that's the end of the road for this frame, and you.
One. One. Seven.
Got nowhere near. Person, Shaun. He's had a pretty dreadful day at the office.
The player we saw triumph at the Masters, and indeed has played well since. Be very disappointed with.
30.
I mean, I'm here with a fairly dispirited opponent.
20.
It can be so demoralising.
20. 43.
Yeah.
51.
This is what you call revenge. A mini comeback tonight. It just didn't happen. Murphy has
59.
struggled to Judd Trump.
Simple to hit, strangely. But he's hit all of it.
Of the way he's played today, that he can win one of these really big tournaments. Of course, he has won 4. Barry Hawkins was outstanding this afternoon. He made 5. Shaun Murphy applauds the crowd, but